Hello, friends, and thanks once again for coming to learn with me the alphabets in Kikuyu. Today we have our lesson 3, like promised last time. We are going to look more into how to make simple words in Kikuyu. So once again, this is Boniface for Kikuyu, and today we are going to extend our lesson from last time. Remember that far we've covered vowels in Kikuyu. We say there are 7: A, E, O, U, A, and O. Then last time we looked at the alphabet, and that is it right there. And then we also said that it was important for us to note the two letters D and J, which will always have an N before them. And we learned that there is no F, P, Q, S, V, X, and Z in the Kikuyu alphabet. So we say that to make Kikuyu words, you can have VV, CV, CCV, and CCCV combinations, and even VCV. You can even start with a vowel when making a Kikuyu word. We also looked at this table. We looked at A, E, O, U, A, O combined with various letters or combination of letters in the alphabet. We started with Fa, Fe, Fi, Fo, Fu, Fi, Fo, and we said the B is F, the S, the K, is Za, Se, Si, So, Su, Se, So, or Sha, She, Shi, Sho, Shu, She, Sho. There are some people who even say Cha, Che, Chi, Cho, Chu, Che, Cho. All of those ones are acceptable. So Da, Den, Di, Do, Du, They do, and then all of the others. If you want to hear how they sound, just go to the previous video. Now this one we're going to extend to the next page where we have Gwa, that is GW, Gwa, Gwe, Gwi, Wo, Gu, Gwe, Go. An example is Waka, Waka. Waka is to build in Kikuyu. Then in G have Ga, Ge, Gi, Go, Gu, Ge, Go. An example is Gi. Gi is housefly in Kikuyu. NGW, Gwa, Gwe, Gwi, Wo, Gu, Gwe, Go. And I give an example there. This example you saw it last time. Gwa, Gwa means thunder in Kikuyu. Then you have NG with an apostrophe. That sounds like like hang. So we have Nga, Nge, Ni, Mo, Mu, Nge, Mo. An example is Ng'ombe, Ng'ombe. That is cow in Kikuyu. Then we have with a W. That is like hang, then plus W. That sounds like Mwa, Mwe, Mwi, Mo, Mu, Mwe, Mo. An example of a word is Domwa. Domwa is uncle in Kikuyu. That part of the leg called uncle. Final one today is sound. Sound is Ha, He, He, Ho, Hu, He, and Ho. An example there is Ha Ha. Ha Ha means here in Kikuyu. So thank you so much for that short episode. I'm going to continue in the next one to just show you more combinations that we have. As always, feel free to subscribe to our channel, and also the more details that I give as always are here. And yeah, I'll see you next time when we are looking more into few more consonants and start making simple Kikuyu words. So shalom, may God bless you. And for the Kenyans who are training Kikuyu, I think it's also important that I help you learn very quickly. So in summary, tunasema ya kwamba in Swahili we are saying kuna vokali ama vowels ambazo ni 7 katika Kikuyu. Kuna a, e, i, o, e na o. Ukiangalia b ita sound kama fa, fe, o, fa, fe, fi, fo, fu, fe, fo. Siku za zamani ilikuwa za, fe, fi, fo, fu, fe, fo, but siku hizi ni fa, fe, fi, fo, fu, fe, fo, sha, she, shi, sho, shu, she, sho, da, de, di, do, de, do, dwa, dwe, dwi, duo, dwe, du, ba, be, bi, bo, bu, be, bu, bwa, bwe, bwi, bo, bu, bwe, bu, ga, ge, gi, go, bu, ge, go. Ukienda upande huu mwingine utapata kwa, bwe, bwi, bo, bu, bwe, bo, ga, ge, gi, go, bu, ge, go, bwa, bwe, bwi, bo, bu, bwe, bu, nga, nge, ngi, ngo, bu, nge, ngo, mwa, we, mwi, mu, mwe, mu, ha, he, hi, ho, he, ho. So Tujifunze Kikuyu. Let's keep practicing and we shall make it perfect good time. So thank you. Shalom.